In logistics, every load tender is a race against time. A missed acknowledgement doesn't just delay shipments, it triggers SLA breaches, lost loads, and revenue leakage. Cognizant Load Tender Orchestrator changes that. Built using the Boomi platform, the solution seamlessly ingests load tenders from EDI, email, APIs, and partner portals, creating a single real-time operational view. The intelligent agents interprets tender details, validate readiness, predict SLA risk, and take action automatically. Acknowledging, escalating, or rerouting before delays occur. Every interaction with carriers and partners is secure, governed, and scaled through APIs, ensuring reliability across the ecosystem. AI-driven load tendering, powered by Cognizant Load Tender Orchestrator, eliminates SLA breaches, thereby preventing the loss in revenue due to SLA breaches on tender acceptance by up to 20–30%, and replaces manual operations with autonomous self-healing functions. This is agentic AI for impact, engineering logistics that move faster, smarter, and safer.